Greetings! In this video, we'll take a look at how to print checks in bulk with batch processing. Essentially, this will allow you to process multiple payments at once as long as you're using the same payment method. Here we are on the All Deals page. We just finished approving all disbursements and confirming all payments have been received. Now we're ready to process our remaining payouts. Jump over to the Remaining Payouts page. Here you will see any remaining payouts that are ready to be processed. If you see this yellow icon next to the payment amount, that means the funds for this payment have not yet been confirmed. You can click on this quick link to be taken right to the deal. In the deal, first confirm disbursements have been approved, and then confirm the funds have been received. After confirming the payment has been received, you'll be ready to process that payout. Now we'll head back to the Remaining Payouts page. Now we can see the payment is ready to be processed for this deal. When you're ready to process payments, select the payments you would like to pay out. It's important to only select payments that will be processed via the same method. For this example, we will click Create Checks. Here you will see the summary of the payments you've selected. The Combine Payments option allows you to combine multiple payments for one individual into the same check for the total amount. With payments combined, you can hover over the total to see the individual payment breakdown. Next, you'll select the account to use to process these payments, and then click Save and Proceed. From here, a bill will be created for each payment. Since this is a working page, once we refresh the screen, these payments will be moved over to the Payments Made page under Purchases. On the Payments Made page, you can locate any checks that are ready to be printed under the Not Printed status. You can use the status filter to easily locate them. To print the checks, start by selecting the checks you're ready to print. Then click Print Checks. Here you will see a preview of the checks. If necessary, you can use the horizontal and vertical shift adjusters to make changes to the check's alignment. We recommend printing a test check to ensure the settings are correct before printing multiple checks. Please note that only the information highlighted here is printed by SkySlope Books. Once you're ready, click Print. Next, you will be able to select the destination printer and finalize check printing documentation. From this window, once you click Print, the checks will begin printing. Now that the checks have printed, you can enter the check number for the first check printed. We will automatically number all of the following checks sequentially for you. Here you can see the checks have been automatically numbered in the order they were printed. If necessary, you can change the check number here on this screen. If a check didn't print correctly, select No to return it to the queue to make any necessary adjustments. When you're done, click Save. Now that those checks have been printed and recorded, they will be removed from the Not Printed list under Payments Made. And there you have it. That's everything you need to know about printing checks in bulk with SkySlope Books. If you have any questions, please reach out to our SkySlope Books support team.